Today we're looking at part number K21-303-00. This is the aluminum oil cap, the Fortress oil cap for the 5,200 pound axle, 6,000, 7,000, and 8,000 pound trailer axles. Any brand, they're all universal. These things are made out of some heavy duty aluminum and they're guaranteed not to bust quite as easy as those plastic caps you have on there currently. So the inner diameter of this is 2.45 and the outer diameter 2.85. Dexter says it's at 2.875. These things are a good little upgrade just to ensure you don't bust your oil caps, because if you bust your oil caps, you're more than likely not going to know until it's too late and you burn up that axle. But I like that it has this little easy filling thing right here. Just twist it off, fill it up with the oil, put it back on, be done, instead of messing with this plug right here, because this plug is a pain in the butt to get out. Anyways, to install them, simple. So we got 8K hub and drum right here, Carter. So you just unscrew this old plastic oil cap right here, and you just screw the Fortress one right into place, and then boom, you just upgraded your trailer, baby. Now you have the Fortress aluminum oil caps on that Carter axle or Dexter axle or whatever brand axle you have, because it doesn't really matter. All that matters is that you're keeping the oil safe from leaking out, busting those caps, and having to replace a whole axle after you burn it up. That's what really matters. You can get these at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687 or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas. Thanks for watching.